SQL E-TMS mobile app is designed with the latest geofence technology and seamlessly linked to SQL Payroll, empowering you to optimize your workforce management. With features like GPS location detection, dedicated area clock-ins, and site photos to ensure that your staff can only clock in when physically present at the designated location. The GPS geofence location feature improves attendance accuracy and reduces time fraud, while the site photo feature adds an extra layer of accountability by capturing photos of staff at the designated location. With the app's flexibility, even salesmen on the move can easily clock in, ensuring accurate attendance tracking, no matter where their location. But that's not all. SQL E-Time Attendance mobile app also offers a comprehensive solution for managing multiple types of overtime rules. Our advanced OT features allow businesses to customize multiple types of overtime rules that suit your unique workflow. With the ability to set minimum OT time entitlement and different OT rates, or even set OT pay rates by tier. To achieve even more, you can increase your team's productivity with the power of SQL E-TMS. Managers can enjoy a comprehensive view of their team's attendance records, including total late-ins, early outs, absences, out-of-office records, offline and overtime. With detailed records available for each employee, managers can identify issues that might be affecting productivity. With SQL E-TMS app's advanced technology ensures that you have all the information you need at your fingertips. Just a simple click provides you with an employee's total minutes late and a daily breakdown of your employees' in and out timings. In case of any employee careless mistake or discrepancies, managers can also easily adjust their clock in and clock out times in SQL E-Time Attendance mobile app.